Hello everyone, welcome to Budget Zero. So this is going to be a short follow-up video tutorial on how to use your phone as a webcam via USB method, but this time it is for iPhone. If you want to watch a more detailed version and it's for Android, there's a card link above here somewhere that you can go. Doing this for iPhone via USB method is much easier than Android, but many people still requested it, then therefore, right now, I am just going to quickly jump into my laptop and show you how to do it. I just want to go to the very basics first. So the software you want to download is Ivcam from e2esoft.com. Links will be in description. So first you need to go and download for the client in your laptop or PC. Unfortunately, it's only available for Windows and not Mac users. And you can come here and go to your phone and download the app for your iPhone. Even though right now I'm teaching about this specific webcam app, this method will also be applicable for any other webcam apps that can use USB. It is almost really similar with this method. You also need iTunes installed in your laptop. Since I already have it, I'll just open it from here. Then you need to have this cable, especially the lightning cable for Apple. So just connect it to your computer first. The Ivcam client, open up it. Sorry for my weird wallpaper. So you will see something like this. And then if there's any echo sound, just click this and play audio to none. Go back to your iTunes and make sure that your iTunes is updated and make sure that your iPhone is connected to your iTunes. So right now, I'll turn off the Wi-Fi to prove that it works using USB. After you download the Ivcam, access the Ivcam, and make sure you need to make sure that it's really connected to your iPhone. Since my old iPhone's connector port is not stable, so I need to adjust it until it detects in the phone. So as you can see, it is already connected to my Ivcam. If I go back to my Ivcam in my laptop, you can see something like this. You can also switch to your front-facing camera by clicking on this button. As you can see. Make sure you will see that your iPhone Asus is connected using USB. That proves that it's connected using USB. So hello. So I want to explain that in video conferencing, your sound will be from your laptop and not for your iPhone. For your iPhone, you need to have a virtual sound card to transfer the audio into your video conferencing app. I explained it in my other videos that you can check it out also. If you want to connect it to Zoom, just go to your Zoom software, click on New Meeting. So you can find the source in either Skype or Zoom, but Zoom, its source is here. And just change it to your E2C Ivcam. And there you go. As you can see, it is connected right now. The quality of the webcam is definitely much better than any other webcam that you want to use. And if you are using USB, you have a more stable connection than a Wi-Fi. So the problem with this Ivcam is that they have a free trial, and after the free trial ends, it will lower the quality and you need to buy the premium one, which is around 10 bucks. Anyways, this USB method is applicable for other webcam apps that you can find for iPhone if they have a USB option. Finally, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Budget Zero out.